Alright, let's talk about it. AI. It's everywhere right now. Whether you realize it or not, artificial intelligence is woven into the fabric of our daily lives, quietly working behind the scenes. But how is artificial intelligence actually changing the world? And why should you care? The truth is, AI isn't just a buzzword or a passing trend, it's a force that's reshaping almost every aspect of modern society. First off, AI is not just about robots taking over or smart assistants telling you the weather. It's about systems that can learn, adapt, and make decisions, sometimes in ways that even surprise their creators. It's transforming the way we live, work, and even play. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, AI is quietly shaping your experiences, often in ways you might not even notice. Take your phone, for example. It's not just a communication device anymore, it's a pocket-sized supercomputer powered by AI. AI is the reason your camera knows how to blur the background or automatically make your photos pop. It recognizes faces, adjusts lighting, and even suggests the best shot, all in real time. It's behind your favorite streaming service recommending that perfect show you never knew you needed. Those personalized playlists and movie suggestions. That's AI analyzing your habits and preferences, learning what you like, and serving up content tailored just for you. But it goes way deeper. AI is powering the massive data centers that keep the internet running, optimizing everything from search engines to online shopping. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. It's analyzing huge amounts of medical data, spotting patterns that humans might miss, and even predicting outbreaks before they happen. There are algorithms out there now that can spot cancer on X-rays, sometimes better than a human. These tools are saving lives by catching illnesses earlier and helping doctors make more informed decisions. That's not science fiction. That's real life right now. And as these technologies improve, they'll become even more essential to our well-being. Then there's the world of self-driving cars. Imagine a future where your car can drive you safely to work while you relax or catch up on emails. AI's the brain behind those vehicles that are learning to drive themselves, analyze traffic, and hopefully make roads safer for everyone. These systems are constantly processing information from cameras, sensors, and maps to make split-second decisions. It's not perfect yet, but every day it gets a little better. The more these cars learn, the closer we get to a world with fewer accidents and more freedom for people who can't drive. Let's not forget the workplace. AI is changing the way businesses operate, from small startups to global corporations. From automating boring tasks to helping with big data analysis, AI's freeing up people to focus on creative problem-solving instead of just crunching numbers. It's making teams more efficient and opening up new opportunities for innovation. Sure, there's debate about jobs changing, but history shows us, when tech evolves, so do we. New roles are created and people adapt, learning new skills to thrive in a changing world. Of course, it's not all good news. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. There are real concerns out there, like bias in AI algorithms or privacy risks. Sometimes these systems can make mistakes or reinforce unfair stereotypes if we're not careful. That's why it's super important to keep asking questions and paying attention to how AI is being used. We all have a role to play in making sure technology serves everyone fairly and ethically. So, what does all this mean for you? It means you're living through one of the most exciting times in human history, a time when technology is evolving faster than ever before. Whether you're coding the next big app or just scrolling through your feed, AI is shaping the way you interact with the world. It's influencing what you see, how you connect, and even how you think about the future. It's unlocking new possibilities, raising new questions, and honestly, it's just getting started. The next big breakthrough could be just around the corner, and it might come from someone like you. If you're a tech enthusiast, now's the time to dive in. There's never been a better moment to get curious, experiment, and learn about how AI works. Learn how it works, play around with the tools, and maybe even build something yourself. The resources are out there and the community is growing every day. Because AI isn't the future, it's the present, and it's changing everything. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope this gave you a new perspective on how AI is transforming our world. If you've got thoughts or questions about AI, hit the comments. Let's keep the conversation going and learn from each other. I want to hear what you think about where all this is heading. The future is being written right now, and your voice matters.